All right, so sickle cell anemia is a genetic disease that affects the hemoglobin, the oxygen transport molecule in the blood. The name comes from the shape of the blood cells. They turn into, instead of being round, they turn into like a crest-like shape. These sickle cell shaped blood cells get stuck and block certain vessels, which then stops the transport of the oxygenated blood to that part of the body. Sickle cell anemia is caused by a single code letter in the DNA. This then alters one of the amino acids in the hemoglobin. Both parents have to carry it. Neither one of them may experience actual sickle cell anemia, but they both carry the sickle cell gene, which then is passed on to your children. Symptoms may vary. Like in the video, the boy had it more severe than the girl. He had already had his spleen removed, and the girl had not. It's not a rare disease, which is kind of shocking. In the U.S., this does not include like the immigrants or people that come from the other countries. It affects about 70 to 125,000 people in the U.S. And those of the African American descent, it affects 1 in 500. So it's very common. And in the research of the doctor in the video, he discovered that in the high areas of malaria, there was high instances of sickle cell. It's a genetic disease that also is intertwined with the infection of that. So when he started his studies with African American people, he would first do a blood draw of the children, whether that be like a foot prick or something like that. He would first look at the malaria parasite load in each blood sample, and then he would look at the sickle cell characteristics to see if he had the character in their blood. Children that carry the sickle cell characteristics had a low parasite count, malaria parasite count, as if to be like the sickle cell was protecting against malaria.